Good morning friends. Now we are gonna talk about molarity and molality. Molarity is number of moles of solute by volume of 1 liter of solution. Number of moles of solute means it is usually like a solid substance, and molality is number of moles of solute by mass of 1 kg of solvent. Solvent is here most important in molarity. There is a difference between these two because these two has a difference because it is a volume of 1 liter of solution, and in this mass of 1 kg of solvent. And and in molality it does not change the temperature since mass remains unaffected by the temperature, and it is all also related to mole concept. How? Because whenever we want to solve molarity or molality concept, there is a question you have to keep in mind. Moles is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in 1 liter. And this formula can be useful for finding molarity. Okay, and molality is also and molarity and molality. We can find these two. We can solve these two problems by using this formula mole concept. Also, we can involve it. So let us solve one question related to molarity. When the term come molarity, then we have to use this formula. So first thing you have to write, if there is mentioned here calculate the molarity, first you write the formula of molarity. Number of moles of solute by volume of 1 liter of solution. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind that what is the formula of molarity. So what is the question? Let's see. Calculate the molarity of NOH. NO is nothing but sodium hydroxide. Okay. So calculate the molarity of NOH in the solution prepared by the dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. So it is given that NOH is dissolved in 250 ml of the solution, and what is the how much of NOH is dissolved in 250 ml? 4 gram. 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 250 ml of solution. Okay, so okay, ml of solution. So you couldn't write 4 gram by 250. This is wrong because the formula which is given for it is number of moles. So we have to find the number of moles of the solute. What is the solute here? Solute is NaOH. And what is solvent here? Though we don't require solvent, but even though we are writing solvent here is water. Okay, water is always a solvent. So there is given that 4 gram of solvent is dissolved in water. So calculate mole. Mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. M is equal to 4 by molar mass of this. I think you know how to write molar mass of NaOH. It is nothing but atomic mass. We have to add atomic mass of each element. Atomic mass is different from atomic number. You couldn't write 11 or oxygen for 8. You have to write atomic mass. Okay, so we have to when we calculate molar mass of NaOH, we got 40. So we get 1 by 10, which is nothing but 0.1. What is this? What we have to write? Moles. Here we are finding moles. So we got the moles, and now what do we want? Liter. So 250 ml. When to convert 250 ml into liter, we divide it by 1000 ml. Okay, so when we divide 250 by 1000 ml, we get 1 by 4. Okay, so according to the formula, we get how much moles of solute we got? 0.1. And how much liter we got? 1 by 4. So when we calculate it, we get, any guesses? 0.4 moles of 0.4 is our molarity of NaOH solution. So now we will solve another question for more conclusion. So first thing, the density of 3, what is this M? You may think that it is moles, but this is not a mole, this is molarity. The big capital M refers to molarity, and smaller m refers to molality. Okay, then, and moles we will write MOL. Okay, mole is not defined as small m. So the density of 3 molarity of solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate the molarity of the solution. We know the formula of molarity, that number of moles of solute by volume of 1 liter of solution. Now keep it in your mind that when they is saying that 3 mole of solution, it means that 3 moles of NaOH in 1 liter of solution. Are you clear? 3 molarity is nothing but 3 moles of NaOH in 1 liter of solution. So we can find 3 moles of NaOH, the mass of the NaOH. We know the formula, mole is equal to given mass by molar mass. 3 given mass we don't know, molar mass we know. How much is molar mass? NaCl. So what is the molar mass of NaCl? Molar mass of NaCl is 58.5. When we multiply 3 into 58.5, we get 175.5 grams. Are you clear? Grams. Now what is the reason that I found grams? Why don't I find moles? Moles is given, molarity I know, gram I know. So you will be knowing why I found this. So now density is given. We have to make it use of density. So density is given 1.25 gram per liter. It means, what does it mean? That we have to find mass of 1 liter of solution. How much is it? Volume into density. Are you getting me? Volume into density. What is the volume? 1000 ml. Why it is 1000 ml? every when we are finding molarity or molality, volume will always 1000 ml. So what is the density is given? 1.25. When we calculate it, we got 1250 gram. Now what we have to do, we know that, molality is this. So molality is given. Molality is given, so mass of 1 kg of solution. Okay, so molality is given, that's why we are finding how to get solvent. Okay, how to get solvent. So water of the solution. Okay, what is the value of water? How much water we are getting? So mass of solvent is how much? So see, this is think that this is the solution. Okay, and we add some solvent in it. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are subtracting solvent by this solution. Solvent by this solution. Density by okay, why we are subtracting means we want only solvent, because the formula is 1 kg of solvent. We are not finding solution. I told you before that in molarity it's different, and in molarity it's different, and here the molality is different. Okay, so now to find the solvent, we are subtracting density by solute density. Okay, we are subtracting density minus solute to get solvent. Okay, so we got this answer. So according to the formula, we have, and we got the number of moles of the solute is 3. We know that, and 1.0745 is the mass of 1 kg of the solute, and we got 2.75 mole per kg. So thank you everyone for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like our video, please click like button, and you have some more doubts related to molarity and molality, you can write it in comment box.